My dear friend, today I will tell you five five questions of interview for the merchandising. Give your biodata along with photographer. Give the details of your job experience if you have. Number three, if you are in the job, why do you want to change it? Number four, give a brief description of the job you are doing in your present position or factory. What is merchandising? A, these five sentences, if you make this, then practice your house, then it will be great help for your interview. My dear friend, if you want to know answer and topic, please follow the follow us and like, comment, share.